Hey everyone, I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back to show you my ends after I cut them about exactly 3 months ago. Most of them are locking up pretty nicely and they're pretty smooth, but still soft to the touch. So they're not like solid yet, but some of them are pretty swollen. And I've noticed that the ones that are swollen now are the ones that curled up after they were cut. So I did have some curly ends, mostly not the case because of my hair texture, but I did have a few curly ones, and those ones now are pretty puffy and they're going through the locking process again. And if you can remember when you started your locks did swell up before they really fully locked. So, puffy ends are to be expected. I did get some questions on how to maintain and groom ends after they've been cut. And honestly, I just leave them alone and let them lock on their own because they will lock. That's what hair does, especially our kinky, coily, curly hair. It'll lock on its own. So, no, I don't interlock them. I don't crochet them. I don't gel them and palm roll them. I just leave them alone and observe. And as you can see, they're making pretty good progress. I don't have too many that are fuzzy like this, that are swollen like this. Again, those are really just the curly ones. But for the most part, they're pretty on track to lock. So let me know, what's your experience with cutting your ends? Do you experience a lot of unraveling? I know that happens to some people. I haven't really experienced unraveling, just on those really curly ones. But for the most part, they're pretty locked. So I'll give you guys another update in another 3 months.